Welcome back to my cooking channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. I am making popcorn chicken today. We're using a chicken breast, no bone. We have 9 pieces. We're supposed to use maybe like 6, but the chicken will be expiring tomorrow, so I just have to use all of them so I don't have to waste the remaining one. This is the ingredient I'm using. I have 3 eggs, I have flour, and I have corn flour. I have thick oyster sauce and light oysters. I have oil. I have ginger powder. I have bouillon for taste, black pepper, salt, and I have paprika. I have green onions, spring onions. This one is really organic because I grow it right here at home. So this is how it looks like. See, look at the onions inside. So good. So I will just start cutting this, and please stay with me and see how we make the chicken popcorn. We continue slicing it, just same thing mostly. It will not matter the size and the shape to me because I'm not selling them right. I'm not selling this one. Yeah, it will come out very good and nice shape. Remember, we have 9 pieces of chicken breast, no bone. Don't slice in the 8. This is the last one I have to slice. Always try to use your hand to cover some parts so you don't slice your hand and the chicken or whatever you are slicing. Give the thing a little bit space. That's why I don't usually like use sharp knife. I prefer the heavy one, not to I struggle to cut them. In this minute, I can wait. I'm not that rushing. Yeah. So only thing I have to slice again is the onions. I already washed them. See the onions smelling. This is the joy of a farmer. My God. See what come out of our onions farm. We can actually get real onions from it, and we still have the spring onions from it. It don't really matter how I slice it. What important for me, I cut them, then adding them and the chicken. So I will add all these ingredients I've already mentioned to you. I will write it for the cashew. All of them mixed together. If you're making something like this, make sure you lower the salt you adding. The reason of lower the sauce is because of this soy sauce. Both the light and the thick one also contain that same thing in the salt. So that's the reason why you need to not use too much of salt. If not, it will be too salty or not really sweet some kind. Yeah. So I'll mix all this together. You can use your own hand to mix it. You can use spoon too. Depends on how you want it. As you already know, I like using my hand to mix things, but in this case, I might not need my hand because this dough is very good. I will just cover it up because it's properly mixed now. I'll just cover it up for 2 to 5 minutes at least. Okay, so it's done. So I will not be frying the onions with it, and the onions spring with it. So I'll just take them out. This is the corn one and the flour. I'll mix both together. I'm still going to go with it, but I will take them out of it, as many that I can. We really want to cover the chicken as much as we can cover. I've already on the deep fry. I already have some oil inside the deep fryer that I used before. I will not be able to use a lot of oil to fry this and trash the oil, because of the cornstarch and the flour. I can't reuse it for anything for now, so I don't have anywhere to store it. Since I've already used the oil inside the deep fryer, so I will just use the deep fryer to do it. Just add some new oil to it. I used it. Just remember, if you are doing something like this or anything at all, you want to fry it with the old oil you have before, you might want to reduce the salt and whatever you are using to mix the thing, because the oil you have used before, whatever you use it for before, you put salt and whatever you use to seasoning them, the oil will be inside that oil. Because you use too much of salt, that may spoil the taste of the things you are making. So be careful. So you see the onions and the green onion. You see, you just have to take them out, as many you can see. Then yeah, they will still be inside no matter how. There are so many ways to do it. You can just choose however way you want to do yours until covered. You can still dip them one by one. But I will not be able to do that. I just do this flipping. I want to deep fry them, all of them, 2 times. So if this one is enough for me to fry, I will just take it there and start frying it. See, most of them join together, so you separate them as you want to put them inside this. So I'll just put this one for the basket. Not add too much. Okay, cover enough. Now pick as many onions that I can take out of it. It doesn't really matter if you fry the onions with it too, but just to make sure the onions are not too much inside. So from here, I'm taking it to the deep fryer. See how it looks like. Then just leave it. I can't just say 5 minutes, but if you happen to take more than 5 minutes, I don't know. But I will check it. If it's ready, then I'll let you know how many minutes it's spent. You see how everywhere messy for the flowers and all that. We later use one more extra cup of flour, because the 2 cups were not enough, and the 1 cup of corn were not enough too. So now we use 2 of that and then 3 of the flour one. Yeah, it's be 2 minutes that we put the other one in the oil. So I think 5 minutes will be enough, because we cut very small ones. Okay, thank you. I just want you to know that everywhere will be messy, sweet messy. The chicken is so sweet and crispy too. Mm. Don't mind the way I do mine. You can see my hand is full. Look at my hand. I only have two hands, so one is here, another one is in the other thing. So we will leave it for like 5 minutes. You see, this one is ready. Also, I put it here for it to drop the oil before taking it out, so it will not be too much on the tray. See, the oil is still dropping. Yeah, we're really done for the popcorn chicken. I'll just let this one dry a little bit before I add it together. We are done with the popcorn chicken, homemade popcorn chicken. So see how it turned to be. So you can use salad or whatever you want to use to eat it, but this particular one I will be trying ketchup and mayonnaise. It's already past 7 here. I can't eat more. I want to check the two, which one is better. It's crunchy. No matter how we try to separate the what do you call it, the green onions, we still have some fried to eat. So good. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, if you never subscribe, help us to subscribe. But if you have subscribed, help us to share and like. Also comment. Let us know how you feel, and then we'll be very happy to reply to you. Have a nice day. Bye.